Hello YouTube, and welcome to Project Deck Restore. I use Behr Advanced DeckOver. The good news is it is an advanced formula. The bad news is I waited till after I bought the product before I did some research on YouTube, only to find out that most people didn't like the product and had negative things to say about it. I also went back and looked again because I was at a point of no return, and I did notice that the product they were using didn't have advanced associated with the product. So with that said, I am optimistic that this is a improved formula and I will get better results. Most people on YouTube before got about a good 4 seasons before it started pilling and cracking. So they were experiencing problems after a year and a half. And I'm hoping to get much better use out of it. I figured if I get that much, I'll be fairly happy with the product. If not, I will just replace all the boards and start from scratch. What you're seeing now is me pressure washing the deck. This is basically the only prep work I've done. I did let it dry 24 hours and then I gave it a good sweep before applying the product. There are other products out there to prep your deck before putting on the DeckOver. Some kind of formula, almost like I think it's called deck wash. I elected not to use it. Hope I don't pay for that in the end. Let me tell you a little bit about the DeckOver product. The color that I'm applying here is called Cedar. There must be at least 30 or 40 color combinations that you could choose from. There are also 3 levels of texture. You could get smooth, textured, and extra textured. I elected to get right down the middle. I got the textured, which I believe is a good choice. It'll give you some traction when the deck is wet, but is not overly rough. I can imagine if you got the smooth, you would have issues with slipping when the deck is wet. Okay, we're moving to the roller phase of the product. They actually suggest that you use a roller with a 1/2-inch nap, which I did. If you had purchased the extra texture, you would have to get a special roller. I didn't like, personally I didn't like using the roller. I thought you got a lot better coverage using the brush. And they suggest that you use the brush for extra rough areas. This product is supposed to restore or recover up to a 1/4 inch gap. So if you had a 1/4 inch gap in your wood, this product would fill it and would become smooth. And I would have to agree with that, but you have to use a brush and extra DeckOver. My deck is about 10 feet by 15 or 16 feet, and it took 2 gallons to provide 2 coats of coverage. And I went a little light in some spots where the table and chairs go. I made a point to go extra thick on the heavy walk areas. Yeah, you can see me struggling to get good coverage with the roller. I much preferred using the brush. Here's some pictures of the finished deck. I allowed a good 24 hours for it to dry before I put anything on it. I mean, I was pretty pleased with the look after I was finished. I'm just concerned about the longevity of the product and will it last without chipping and fading. But only time will tell, and I'm hoping to do a 1-year update when that time comes. So come back to the channel and see how it works out.